Hello everybody, it's Christine. I haven't done this type of a video in a bit. This is for my Counterfeit Kit Challenge Master Forger blog thing. I've been doing the mini kits, and so I've been doing them like the kit reveal and all the projects and stuff on a single day. Well, this month I signed up for a full kit, and I did that because we're doing 30 days of sketches, and I'm thinking, you know what, I can use this same kit, and I'm just gonna do a whole bunch of layouts, at least that's my plan, with this single kit. So here's our inspiration kit, and this is kind of neat. I didn't even know of this company, if I'm brutally honest. It's J. Conlon and Sons, and this is a digital kit, and I think this is really beautiful. It's really brightly colored. There's like all this fun like rainbows and just really brightly colored stuff. There's a navy blue. If you look at the like along the bottom, all the papers, you got your navy blue, green, another blue, yellow, blue, rainbow, yellow. So you have this, there's some pink in there. You can see some flowers. Do what makes you happy. There's like happy stuff, love stuff, you know, that kind of thing. There's some stars here. When I saw this, and then there's also like these cut aparts and things like that. There's actually some black and white as well in here, or that might be stamps. I'm not sure what that is. Digital, I don't know what that is. It says stamps. So I guess those are stamps. I don't know if there's a real life stamps or if that's digital, but regardless, there's those little things. And then there's this whole rainbow thing going on. So this is just really, really fun. It says color me happy. Well, I saw that and I thought, you know, that's kind of a Vicky Booten color scheme to me. I don't know. She has obviously all different ones, but it just struck me. And I have so much Vicky Booten. I thought this would be a great collection to recreate with that. So I had this set of basic papers here. I'm gonna go through my papers. Hold on, let me see. I think it's just this set here. So like this is the basics, right? Or it's called Staples rather. This is from Flower Emporium, but this is like a bunch of rainbowy type stuff. So that's gonna be like my layout bases and stuff. So I'm gonna set that aside. You can kind of see what those are. I don't know, maybe this got picked up by accident now that I say that. I don't think I intended to pick this up. This might, oh no, these are part of the staples as well. That's actually staples as well. So let me stick that at the back. That goes with, I say that. Well, I didn't intentionally pick that up, but it's in my batch here. So we're just gonna set it aside. It's because that's got, it is what it is. I did intentionally pick this up because that's part of it. I don't know how I managed to do that, y'all. But then I've also got, let me pull out these. This is my stickers and things. Let me put that aside. So let me show you this bit here. So there's navy, there's this rainbow stripe thing here. So if there was a rainbow in there, now granted it was horizontal, but it doesn't really matter. It's a rainbow. Then this was actually almost a exact match to the far left paper in that original. And then I did this instead of stars because there's these little hearts here. And then this piece here is another blue because there was a couple of blues, right? This right here has a bunch of like fun words. It's like happy and joy and things like that. So I thought that could be nice. Then there's this here. It's just a bunch of rainbowy squares, right? Just really pretty rainbowy, brightly colored stuff. I have a yellow because there was I actually tore it, y'all. Getting out of the pad. I was so upset. Oh, well, that's going to happen. And then I have this fun, like, rainbowy type circle-y thing. I haven't seen, I've seen the sketches for 30 days, but I haven't like paid attention. I just printed them out. So we'll see what goes with what. This actually came out of that Staples. I think I pulled it out. Also, there's this side. That's the other blue part that could be used. And then I had a couple of scraps. I'm trying to use like scraps and stuff that could go as well. These, I usually fussy cut these guys out. And then there's like tags and stuff on this side potentially, but I kind of like this piece here. So we'll do that. And then there was these 4x6s that had like the happy, and look at that little unicorn. Is that not crazy? And then there was this rainbow here that kind of went with the original inspiration. So I thought those would be really cute. So that's some papers I pulled out. I got a little bit bigger kit, and I'm okay with that because like I said, I got 30 days to do. And then I have these washi stickers. So there's all these little stickers that are like washi stuff. There's some letters there, or titles rather. There's all these fun washi stickers. Like, I'm not sure how that one comes apart. Like, I think they, you know what? I think they just come off. These ones are not, I mean, how cool is this, y'all? Look at that. That's like a big old washi sticker. So that could be fun. You could cut these with dies and stuff. I haven't really got, you know, I've never really used these. I think this was something I got in a clearance thing, and so I've not really used them. Obviously, there's wordy bits and stars and all kinds of fun stuff, you guys. So look at all that. And then I have a sticker sheet I pulled out of, I think this was a Bright and Bold clearance pad I picked up. But there's all this fun little fun cats and, you know, just fun times, and the unicorn and just all kind of, you can't stop awesome. That's so cute, you guys. Oh, it's so cute. And then I also snagged, there was some flowers on that original, their little faux flowers. So I just went and pulled out the Flower Emporium, bunch of little flower bits here. You know, I'll make these work some kind of way because there was big flowers in the digital kit. So we'll make those work. And then I went and pulled it. I had made like a cluster. I pulled it out. We'll see how I use it if I do. And then there's this bit here, which is the ephemera pack. So actually that's where that washi stuff came from. And then there's all these little bits here that I haven't pulled out. And then there's actually some vellum, you guys. So how cool is that? I'm going to try to use this stuff because I've had it. I mean, come on, Christine, let's use it up. So it's all these things here. Like you can see all the little baby bits and stuff here. So that is my counterfeit kit, you guys. Like I said, my goal is to use the stuffing out of this on my 30 days of sketches. I'm going to try to make that work. There's a handful on my 30 days. I already have like other plans and stuff for them because they're for other hops and things. But my goal is to try to use this snot out of this kit. So that's my kit. Check out the blog and the Facebook group. So if you go in the Facebook group, there's a bunch of challenges. And of course the blog, everybody has like the Master Forger, you know, she writes the blog posts, and there's people post the Master Forgers post their projects and stuff. I actually have, mine is later in the month. I have challenge number 2. I think it's usually, I'll tell you real quickly, it's on, well, yeah, the 18th. So my project will go up on the 18th. So you can check out the blog for that. And yeah, so you guys have a wonderful month. I hope you get to scrap it. Let me know if you're doing 30 days of sketches. It's a really big group that plays along, and we always have a playlist and stuff like that too. So watch for those things, and we'll see you next time. Bye.